Which base in place of thiamine is present in RNA? ହେଲା ଯେମିତି DNA ରେ thiamine ଥାଏ ସେମିତି
यूरासिल
ଏଇ ଜାଗାରେ କ'ଣ ଥାଏ? guanine, cytosine, adenine,
यूरासिल
uracil। ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ, uracil।
यूरासिल
uracil। Which of the following excretes uric acid as its excretory product? Camel, amoeba,
बार्ड
sparrow, tilapia।
स्पैरो
Sparrow,
Sparrow.
sparrow, uric acid। Which of the following have venous heart? Venous heart କାହାର ଥାଏ? Mammal, fish, reptilia, amphibia। venous heart କାହାର ଥାଏ? venous, venous।
Amphibia.
fish fish has venous heart।
venous venous heart कौन
venous heart ମାନେ କ'ଣ? ଭେନ୍ସ ଥିବ ବୋଧେ ହାର୍ଟ ରେ ନା କ'ଣ, ମୁଁ ବି ଜାଣିନି।
Carbon dioxide only circulate होती है सारा.
କ'ଣ ହଉଥିବ?
Only carbon dioxide circulation होती है तब blood रे.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। It is a heart that only contains blood with carbon dioxide। Next, seed dormancy is regulated by which tissue? Seed dormancy, ethylene, gibberellin acid, gibberellin, abscisic acid, acetic acid। germination, dormancy,
ethylene
seed dormancy, abscisic acid, abscisic acid। Which is an insectivorous plant? Balanophora, Rafflesia, Drosera, Orobanch।
No.
डाल लेना पूरा
Drosera is an insectivorous plant। Kala ajar is transmitted by which fly? House fly, sand fly, sessile fly, Anopheles mosquito।
Say
sand fly
fly.
Fly.
Sand fly, sand fly।
Sandfly.
Which is the respiratory pigment in men? Hemocyanin, hemoerythrin, hemoglobin, B carotene।
Hemoglobin.
hemoglobin बिल्कुल। Wings of a bird and an insect are which organs? Wings of a bird and an insect are
flame
homologous organs, analogous organs, vestigial organs, rudimentary organs।
vestigial
Vestigial.
Analogous organs, analogous, externally similar in appearance and function but have dissimilar developmental plan। ଯେମିତିକି ଦି ଜଣଙ୍କର ସିମିଲାର appearance ଥାଏ, ଫଙ୍କସନ୍ ବି ସେମ୍ ଥାଏ ଫ୍ଲାଇଂର। The term Green Revolution was coined by whom? M.S. Swaminathan, William Goud, Charles Elton।
MS Swaminathan।
Swaminathan.
William Goud ଟର୍ମଟା କିଏ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ୍ କରିଥିଲେ? William Goud। The sweet taste of fruits is due to what? Lactose, fructose, ribose, maltose।
fructose
fructose बिल्कुल। Which of the following can be used for biological control of mosquitoes? Ointment, Gambusia fish, oil, DDT।
gambusia fish
Gambusia fish बिल्कुल। Plague is caused by what? Bacteria, protozoa, virus।
Bacteria.
Bacteria बिल्कुल। The sum of genes in a population is called what? Sum of genes in a population, phenotype, genotype, karyotype, gene pool।
Genotype.
genotype
gene pool कहती। The sum of genes in a population। The International Year of Biodiversity was which year? 1996, 1999, 2006, 2010.
99 six six six
2010. 2010 was the International Year of Biodiversity. 1996 ହେଲା Shark Eradication of Poverty Year. 1999 ହେଲା International Year of Older Persons. 2006 ହେଲା International Desert and Desertification Year. BCG vaccine is given at the age of dash. Newborn, within 15 days, 2 to 3 years, 10 years.
10 years.
Within 15 days, ଜନ୍ମର 15 ଦିନ ଭିତରେ BCG vaccination is given. Who proposed the concept of survival of the fittest? William, Lamarck, Huxley, Darwin.
डार्विन
Darwin, बिल्कुल. White revolution is related to what? Wheat production, milk
मिल्क
production, fish
milk
production.
production.
Milk production.
Milk production, बिल्कुल. Which of the following is present in chlorophyll molecule? Mn, Mg, Fe, K.
mg
एमजी एमजी
Mg कौन है Mg?
Mg. Magnesium.
Magnesium.
मैग्नीशियम
magnesium
Which of the following microorganisms is used in milk curdling? Acetobacter, Bacillus, Lactobacillus, Leukostoc.
Lactobacillus.
लैक्टोबैसिलस
lactobacillus
Lactobacillus. Contraceptive pills in the market contain dash. Herbicides, antibiotics, inorganic compounds, steroid hormones.
steroid
Steroid.
hormone
स्टेरॉइड हार्मोन
Steroid hormones, बिल्कुल. क्या जानी पारो
रिपीट करवा रिपीट कर दो ना उसने लास्ट
सुनो से रेकॉर्ड होची रिपीट मुई कहू छे काजे मोर कथा नहीं सुना बार नेल रिकॉर्डिंग से सुना बा नेटवर्क इशू है से ना हतले नहीं सुना बार
सुनावा नहीं रिपीट सब क्वेश्चन आंसर
सब क्वेश्चन रे आंसर जेंटा कहसन का नहीं कहबे मैं टाइम
क्वेश्चन
वेस्ट
रिपीट एंडा कहते से
सब सभी एक का क्वेश्चन जेंटा नहीं कहम हेटा
सब क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर सुनी
सब नहीं हंता नहीं है लॉस इज टाइम वेस्ट कम टाइम रे बेसी डिस्कस बा कहसे सबके ऐसी जेंटा कहबी के गुटे जिनिस रो सबे आंसर देबे सेमटा मैं कहबी के नहीं कहा टाइम रे जेंटा भूल कहसन एटा कहसन जा जा हदी जा हदी जाबो रेकॉर्ड होचे सब क्या करू आज रेकॉर्ड हवा जा हदी master copy of genetic information is dash nucleus mRNA rRNA DNA
न्यूक्लियस
D.
DNA बिल्कुल
DNA.
DNA बिल्कुल what does ozone layer absorb infrared rays ultraviolet rays x rays gamma rays
Ultraviolet.
ultraviolet the red orange and yellow colors of leaf is due to what aldehyde
Bromoplasm.
lignin tannin carotenoid
Carotenoid. Carotenoid.
carotenoid बिल्कुल carotenoid which of the following is an antioxidant vitamin B C D K which is an antioxidant
डी
vitamin C vitamin C
Hmm.
vitamin C is an antioxidant
Okay.
vitamin A C ଆଉ E ହେଲା antioxidant crude oil is sometimes termed sweet because dash it is less acidic it is less alkaline it is sweet in taste due to dissolved sugar it is mildly sweet due to low sulfur content
लो सल्फर कंटेंट
बिल्कुल it is termed sweet because it is mildly sweet due to low sulfur content the smallest size of a cell that can be seen with naked eye is dash 1 micron 10 micron 100 micron 1000 micron
10 micron.
100 micron. The smallest size of a cell that can be seen with naked eye is 100 micron. Bryophytes are often called as amphibian plant because they dash They are found both in water and land. They do not have habitat preference. They appear like frog.
They both found in
Acha.
Why?
water and
Both.
Cool. They are
water
found both
and
in they are found both in water and land. Animals adapted to life in air are called what? Cursorial, arboreal, volant, fossorial.
arboreal.
Arboreal, बिल्कुल. Animal adapted to life in air are called arboreal. An eardrum is absent in which of the following? Eardrum कहाँ absent है? Turtles, snakes, tuatara, toad.
Snake.
Toad.
Snake. Eardrum is absent in snakes. Who discovered that malaria is caused by female anopheles? Edward Jenner, Louis Pasteur, Ronald Ross, Robert Koch.
Robert Koch.
Ronald Ross.
Ronald Ross
Yes.
discovered that malaria is caused by female anopheles. Which protein sugar pair is present in milk? माने ऑप्शन रे दीटा थिबो गोटे प्रोटीन थिबो गोटे सुगर थिबो कोटा मिल्क रे थाए कैसेन सुक्रोज कैसेन लैक्टोज फेरिटिन माल्टोज अल्बुमिन ग्लूकोज
Casein lactose.
Caffeine, glucose.
Lactose. Lactose.
कैसिन लैक्टोज
ଥଣ୍ଡା ପାଣି ପିଇ ଆଗେ
कैसिन लैक्टोज बिल्कुल. The term genetics was coined by whom? Morgan, Mendel, Johansson, Batson.
Mendel.
Mendel.
भूल coined किए करथिले Batson BATESON Batson. The term genetics was coined by Batson. Insectivorous plants grow in soil deficient in which of the following? Calcium, magnesium, nitrogen, water.
Water.
कौन डेफिशिएंट था जो इंसेक्टिवरस प्लांट्स ग्रो करती? नाइट्रोजन डेफिशिएंट सॉइल रे insectivorous plants grow in soil deficient in nitrogen. Vegetables and fruits should be a part of our diet because they stimulate which process? Peristalsis, salivation, respiration, excretion. They stimulate which process? Vegetables and fruits. Peristalsis. Peristalsis is a series of involuntary muscle contractions that move food through the digestive tract. थ्रोट रू स्टार्ट हुए आउ पूरा जाए reach their exit at the urethra. The peristalsis is a series of involuntary muscle contractions that move food through the digestive tract. तो ସେଇଥିରେ ହେଲ୍ପ କରେ vegetables and fruits. An insect is an organism having dash 3 pairs of legs, 4 pairs of legs, pair of wings and antenna, head, thorax and abdomen.
Head, thorax, and abdomen.
3 pairs of legs. An insect is an organism that has 3 pairs of legs. The biological decomposition of organic substance in wastes under controlled condition is known as what? Biological decomposition of organic substance in waste under controlled condition. Composting, incineration, sanitary landfill, pyrolysis.
Composting.
Composting.
Composting, बहुत बढ़िया. Composting. The biological decomposition of organic substance in wastes under controlled condition is known as composting. Which of the following fuel causes minimum environmental pollution? Diesel, hydrogen, coal, kerosene.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen, बिल्कुल hydrogen. Lactose is present in what? Grapes, milk, lime, vinegar.
Milk.
Milk.
Milk. Which of the following has no blood but respires? Fish, hydra, cockroach, earthworm.
Cockroach.
Hydra.
Cockroach.
Hydra.
Cockroach.
ହାଇଡ୍ରା
ସାର୍ ହାଇଡ୍ରାଟା କଣ?
କଣ ପଢୁନ ଆଉ କଣ ପଚାରୁଛ? ହାଇଡ୍ରା ହଉଛି ତମର ସାଙ୍ଗ ଗୋଟେ।
ସାର୍
ହାଇଡ୍ରା
ଗଛ।
ହଉଛି ମାର୍ବଲ
ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ ହାଇଡ୍ରା
କ୍ୟାପ୍ଟେନ
ଗଛ।
ଆମେରିକା ହାଇଡ୍ରା।
ହଁ ସେଇ ହାଇଡ୍ରା ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି।
କୋଉ ହାଇଡ୍ରା? କୋଉ ହାଇଡ୍ରା ଭାବୁଛ?
ଯୋଉ ମାର୍ବେଲସ ମୁଭିରେ ଦିଏନି ଗୋଟେ ହାଇଡ୍ରା ବୋଲି।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା ଭଲ ଆଉ। ହଉ ଭଲ। ଥର୍ ବି ଭାବୁଥିବ ତାହେଲେ କଣ ଗୋଟେ ଥର୍।
ଥର।
ପ୍ରନ୍ ହାର୍ଟ କ୍ୟାରିଜ୍ ହ୍ୱିଚ୍ ବ୍ଲଡ? ପ୍ରନ୍ ହାର୍ଟ। ପ୍ରନ୍ ମାନେ ଜାଣିଛ ତ?
ହଁ।
ଚିଙ୍ଗୁଡି
Prawn heart carries dash no blood, mixed blood, oxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood.
Mixed blood.
ମିକ୍ସ ବର୍ଡ
Oxygenated blood. तो आगुरी कहते आउ थे कहीदे हाइड्रा हैज नो ब्लड बट इट रेस्पायर्स. ग्रे हेयर इज कॉज्ड ड्यू टू व्हाट? ग्रे हेयर एजिंग ऑफ एपिडर्मल सेल्स, डेथ ऑफ डर्मल सेल्स, लॉस ऑफ sebum in epidermal cells, loss of melanin in epidermal cells.
Loss of
Loss
melanin.
of melanin.
बिल्कुल लॉस ऑफ मेलानिन इन एपिडर्मल सेल्स. ग्रे हो जाए हेयर. तमर हेयर ग्रे अच्छी कि आई स्मार्ट?
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍। ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଖାଲି ପାଚି ଯାଉଛି ମଝିରେ।
ଏଇଟା ଆଉ ମେଲାନିନ୍ ଲସ୍ ହଉଛି ଆଉ. Which is an endocrine gland? Thyroid, spleen, adrenal, pituitary.
Thyroid.
Adren.
Which is not an endocrine gland? ହେଲା not କହିଥିଲି ତ spleen. Spleen is not an endocrine gland. Typhoid is caused by dash bacteria, fungi, virus, protozoa.
ବ୍ୟାକ୍ଟେରିଆ
Bacteria.
Bacteria.
बिल्कुल bacteria. Green manure is obtained from what? Green manure. Domestic vegetable waste, oil seed husk cakes, fresh animal excreta, decomposing green legume plants.
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ
Last. Green manure is obtained from decomposing green legume plants. Which is the most common mammal? Elephant, lion, man, panther.
ମ୍ୟାନ୍
Man,
ସରି
bilkul, man. Which is the only mammal that can fly? Bat, hen, lizard,
ବ୍ୟାଟ୍
quail.
Bat.
Bat.
ଲିଜାର୍ଡ
Bat.
ଲିଜାର୍ଡ
ବ୍ୟାଟ୍
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 ସାର୍
Bat.
ବ୍ୟାଟ୍ 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 ସାର୍।
କଣ କହୁଛ କ୍ଲିୟର କୁହ?
ବ୍ୟାଟ୍
ସାର୍ ବାଦୁଡି ବାଦୁଡି।
ବାଦୁଡି ଲିଜାର୍ଡ କେମିତି କହୁଛ?
ଏଇଟା ସାର୍ ଭୁଲରେ କହିଦେଲି।
ମୁଁ ଭାବିଲି ସତରେ ଦେଖିଛ ବୋଧେ. Bat is a mammal that can fly. Filaria is
ସାର୍
transmitted.
ବାଦୁଡି ଅଣ୍ଡା ଦିଏନି?
ବାଦୁଡି ଅଣ୍ଡା ଦିଏ ନା?
ସାର୍ ମାମାଲ କେମିତି ହେଲା ସେ ବାଦୁଡି ଅଣ୍ଡା ଦେଲା?
ସେ ଅଣ୍ଡା ଦିଏନି
ଆରେ ବାଦୁଡି ଅଣ୍ଡା ଦିଏ.
ତାପରେ ମିଲ୍କ ବି ଦିଏ ନା?
ଅଣ୍ଡା
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ
ଦିଏନି.
ମାମା
ଅଣ୍ଡା
ଅଣ୍ଡା
ଦିଏ
ଦିଏନି।
ନା ନା.
ଅଣ୍ଡା ଦିଏନି
ଆଚ୍ଛା ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ।
Filaria is transmitted by which mosquito? Aedes, Anopheles, Culex, swamp.
Culex.
Aedes.
Culex.
ଏଠି
Aedes ନୁହଁ.
ଏଠି ନୁହେଁ।
Culex. Aedes mosquito ଦ୍ୱାରା କୋଉ ଫିଭର ହୁଏ?
ଡେଙ୍ଗୁ
Dengue.
ଡେଙ୍ଗୁ.
ଡେଙ୍ଗୁ
Anopheles
Malaria.
ମ୍ୟାଲେରିଆ।
ମ୍ୟାଲେରିଆ
ମ୍ୟାଲେରିଆ. ଆଉ ଫାଇଲେରିଆ ହେଲା କ୍ୟୁଲେକ୍ସ. Which acid is synthesized in human stomach? Sulfuric, nitric, hydrochloric, phosphoric.
ହାଇଡ୍ରୋକ୍ଲୋରିକ।
ହାଇଡ୍ରୋକ୍ଲୋରିକ।
ହାଇଡ୍ରୋକ୍ଲୋରିକ୍
Hydrochloric बिल्कुल. Immunization is the phenomenon of formation of antibodies by using inactive what?
Virus.
Antibodies, antigen, chemicals, blood.
Antigen.
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 Immunization.
Antigen.
Immunization is a phenomenon of formation of antibodies by using inactive antigens. Growing more than one crop on a piece of land during the year is known as what? Unique cropping,
Mixed
multiple
crop.
cropping, double cropping, triple cropping.
Multiple.
Multiple,
Double.
multiple cropping. Multiple. More than one କୁହାଯାଉଛି ଦିଟା ତ
Mul-
କୁହାଯାଉନି ନା ତ more than one ରେ multiple
Aye.
ହେଇଗଲା multiple cropping.
Aye.
Which plant is used to treat blood pressure? तुलसी, बाबुल, सर्पगंधा, नीम.
ସର୍ପଗନ୍ଧା।
ସର୍ପଗନ୍ଧା ସର୍ପଗନ୍ଧା।
सर्पगंधा बहुत बढ़िया. आई स्मार्ट यूज करଛ ବୋଧେ ଲାଗୁଛି.
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଏଇଟା ଯୋଉ ମା ଆଣନ୍ତି ତ
ଓହୋ ଅଛି କି?
ଅଛି ସାର୍ ମେଡିସିନ ନାଁଟା ହଉଛି ସର୍ପଗନ୍ଧା ଘନବଟି।
ହୁଁ. Carbon monoxide poisoning can be cured by what? Carbon monoxide poisoning can be cured by what? Drinking lemon water, eating butter, consuming multivitamin tablet, exposing the affected person to fresh oxygen.
Lemon water.
ଲାଷ୍ଟଟା।
Last,
Fresh oxygen.
last. Carbon monoxide poisoning can be cured by exposing the affected person to fresh oxygen. Basic structural and functional unit of living organism is what? Cell, organ,
Cell.
tissue, system. Cell,
Cell.
बिल्कुल cell. Cell. The largest invertebrate is dash. Sponge, mollusca, arthropoda, echinoderm. Largest invertebrate.
Echinoderm.
Mollusca, mollusca. Mollusca ର ଗୋଟେ example ଦିଅ.
Gander.
ଗେଣ୍ଡା.
ଗେଣ୍ଡା
ସ୍ନେଲ.
ଶଙ୍ଖ
ହଁ ବିଲକୁଲ.
ସାର୍ ଶଙ୍ଖ
ହଁ ଶଙ୍ଖ ଯେ ଶଙ୍ଖ କ'ଣ ଆମେ ପଢିବା ଏକ୍ଜାମରେ? କ'ଣ ଏବେ ଜଏନ୍ ନାଓ କହିଲ ଏବେ ଏତେ ଲେଟ୍ରେ?
କିଛି କୁହା ହେଇନି।
କୁହା ହେଇନି, ମୁଁ କହିଛି ବା ନା ଯାଇନି ମେସେଜ ଏବେ ଯାଏଁ?
ଆସିଛି ଏବେ ଦେଖିକି ଆସିଛି ମୁଁ।
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଆସିଛି
ଆଚ୍ଛା.
ଜଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ ପରେ ଆସିଲା।
Which of the following is a true fish? Silver fish, tar fish, dog fish, shell fish.
ଷ୍ଟାର।
ହଁ ଷ୍ଟାର
Dog
Dog fish.
fish. Dog fish ଟା ଗୋଟେ ମାଛ
Dog
ଆଉ
fish.
କୋଉଟା ବି ମାଛ ନୁହଁ. Dog fish is a true fish. Transfer of genetic information from one generation to another generation is done by what? RNA, DNA,
DNA.
codon, mRNA.
DNA.
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 DNA।
DNA. Which of the following is not a protozoan disease? Not a protozoan disease. Elephantiasis, oriental sores, sleeping sickness, kala azar.
ଏଲିଫେଣ୍ଟିଆସିସ୍।
Fantasy.
Elephantiasis.
Elephantiasis उचेरेरिया बैंक्रप्टी ओर्म द्वारा हुए. तो दिस इज नॉट ए प्रोटोजोआन डिजीज. Iodine solution is used to test the presence of what? Sugar, starch, protein, fat. Starch. Sugar na starch? Starch. Saprophytes are organisms which depend for food on what? Living plants, living animals, dead and decaying material, inorganic chemical compounds.
Dead and
Dead and decaying.
बिल्कुल. Dead and decaying material. बिल्कुल. Dead and decaying material. Who coined the term gene? Mendel, Watson, Johansson, Biddle. जीन टर्म किए बात.
जोहानसन।
बहुत बढ़िया. जोहानसन. DNA contains which sugar? Pentose sugar, hexose sugar, erythrose sugar, heptulose sugar.
पेंटोज सुगर
Export.
हेक्स कौन?
Six. Export.
पेंटोज
पेंटोज सुगर, पेंटोज सुगर. RBCs do not perform aerobic respiration because they do not contain what?
Oxygen.
न्यूक्लियस
Mitochondria, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome.
न्यूक्लियस
बिल्कुल भूल. They do not,
Ribosome.
they do not contain mitochondria. RBCs do not perform aerobic respiration because they do not contain mitochondria. Mycobacterium leprae is a dash. Spore, coccus, spiral, bacillus. କୋଉ ଟାଇପ୍ର ବ୍ୟାକ୍ଟେରିଆ?
Bacillus.
बैसिलस
Bacillus बिल्कुल. କିଏ କ'ଣ କହିଲ କି? The most abundant enzyme in the living world is what? Most abundant enzyme जोड़ा बेसी अछि. Rubisco, DNase, zymase, invertase. Rubisco. The most abundant enzyme in the living world is Rubisco. Minamata disease is caused due to what? Lead, cyanide,
Cadmium.
mercury, methyl
मर्क्यूरी
acetate,
Mercury.
मर्क्यूरी
mercury. Absence of fish along a river indicates what? Absence of fish along a river. Zone of degradation, zone of recovery, zone of active decomposition, all zones of pollution.
ऑल जॉन्ट्स ऑफ पॉल्यूशन
Nah.
Pollution.
Absence of fish along a river indicates zone of degradation. Which of the following organs converts glycogen into glucose and purifies the blood? Liver, lungs, spleen, kidney.
Kidney.
kidney,
Liver. Liver converts glycogen into glucose and purifies the blood. Lockjaw is a pathological condition of which disease? Diphtheria, polio, tetanus, paralysis.
Tetanus.
Tetanus. Blood fails to clot while flowing in the blood vessel because of presence of which of the following? Heparin.
हेपारिन
बहुत बढ़िया बहुत.
heparin,
Heparin. Heparin. In which of the following animal open circulatory system is found? Earthworm, prawn, toad, man.
एयरथॉर्म
Toad.
arso,
प्रॉन
Prawn, बिल्कुल prawn. मोलुस्का आर्थ्रोपोडा मानकर ओपन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम थाए. Larva of cockroach is known as what? Caterpillar, nymph, grub, maggot. Larva,
Caterpillar.
larva of cockroach is called nymph. Nymph. Plants which flower only once in their lifetime are known as what? Polycarpic, monocarpic, monogamous, monogeneric.
monocarpic,
Monocarpus.
Monocarpic, बिल्कुल monocarpic. The plants which flower only once in their lifetime. The main function of insulin in the human body is dash. To maintain blood
sugar
pressure,
control,
to control the level of sugar in the body, to check the
sugar,
level of iodine in the body,
कंट्रोल
to help in digestion of food.
Sugar
कंट्रोल
level control.
बिल्कुल to control the level of sugar in the body. Symptoms of jaundice occur mainly due to disorder and malfunction of which part? Pancreas, liver,
लिवर
intestine, stomach.
pancreas,
लिवर
Liver.
liver,
Liver. Which is an indicator of air pollution? Algae, cycas, bryophyte,
Lichen.
lichens.
lichen,
Lichen.
lichens,
Lichen, बिल्कुल. An ant can see the objects all around it due to presence of which eyes? Well developed
Compound
कंपाउंड है
eyes.
compound eyes, बिल्कुल compound eyes. राजेश तमर जदि